Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning,
ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Morning, Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please wait for 1 minute. Ma'am, I'm joining from my
Ma'am.
family also.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait. I'm joining.
Good afternoon,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, please wait. I'm joining from my PC.
Good morning, teacher. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Ma'am, I cannot able to.
Yes, students, am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Yes. Can you hear me? Okay, fine. So today I decided I will start my class after having a verse with you. Every time you people send message, ma'am, please talk to us. We want to see you. So today we are going to learn a lovely artwork. You know what? Today we are going to learn our beautiful earth because on 5th we are going to celebrate Earth Day. So without delay, let's get started. So yes, students, now we are back. And can you see the screen? Show your thumbs up. Can you see the screen? Okay, fine. So without delay, we will start today. Okay. And we can't unmute anyone because because we always keep our class. Am I audible? Please show thumbs up. Am I audible? Okay, fine. So see, those who are not able to listen me, you please check your internet or any other issue if you have. Otherwise, click on active speaker view and we will start. Okay. So many on demand of parents and many students, they have this topic in their competition on Earth Day because on 5th of June, we are going to celebrate Earth Day, right? So let's learn a beautiful artwork on Earth Day. So see for this, what you will be doing, this is your paper, right? This is your paper. I can see a few lines, that's why I'm erasing. I will simply take a plate. How much big? This much big. Okay. Take a plate and simply draw. Don't take very small. It should be little part here and little space here should be left. Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. You can take A3 or A4, any. Today I have taken A3 size paper, but you can take any, okay? See, the only proportion you are supposed to keep in mind is that you will be taking a plate. Is this how much big? Little space here and little space here. Okay, this is the proportion. Whatever is the size, but you will keep this. And today we are going to learn the drawing on Earth Day. Okay, because on 5th Earth Day is going to come, and a beautiful Earth. So let's learn. Don't take a small bowl. Okay, it should be as big that little space here and little space here should be left. Okay, now hold it and draw a circle. Exactly in center you take and draw a circle. Come on, start with me. And see, it will serve you two purposes. Suppose beautiful India. Suppose the topic is coming beautiful India. You can try this. Okay. If any other topic related to India or Earth, save nature, save environment, you can try this. So now if any competition is there in your school, you are ready with your Earth Day special drawing. Okay. And after this, I will be covering up eat healthy, keep healthy. Okay. This is also a topic which I'm finding all around. So a very beautiful concept on eat healthy, keep healthy. We will be learning after this drawing. Okay. So draw a circle. After this is the center point, right? This is the center point. I will take one point here on side. And because from here, my hairline will come and I'm going to write S. It will come here. Come on, take a point here. Okay, what I did, this is the center point. I took a point on side and one point I took here. Now from this point to this point, I will be writing S. Now see how I will be writing S? I will see this S will go straight and curve and finish. S, first you write S. Don't see this line. First write S. S for sun. Okay, this is S. And this drawing will help you for your Mother's Day, Earth Day concept also. So I will take a point. I will simply go this ways and I will write S. This is S. Okay. And then I will extend the line and finish. Okay, I will extend the line and finish this. And from here, okay, now this is S. From here, I am going to show a C and finish. This is again looking like S, but it is very flat. It is not curved. It is flat, right? Curve is same, but it is quite flat. See this one. If you don't know how to write S, if you're finding it difficult, you can simply make a curved line. Okay, because you can simply make a curved line. Yes, I will repeat what I did. I took my paper horizontally. I took a plate. If your paper is small, you will take a small plate. If you are using A3 size paper, A4 size paper, you will be taking this much size of plate. If you are using big, you will take big plate. Hai na? So always, I always guide with proportion. So whatever size of paper you are taking, small paper, small plate, big paper, big plate. Little space here, little space here. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Yes, continue. Can I check? Can I check? Those who have done, I want to check their work. Please lift up your files. And show very good. Shabash. Okay. Lovely. Now, yes, I'm repeating. What we did, we draw a circle. We took center point, then a side point. I took a point here. I draw a S. Okay. And then from here, line is going downwards. From here, again one S, line is going downwards. Okay. I want to check everyone's work. Everyone pick up, please. All of you lift up your work. Oh, yes. And one more very important thing. Today we missed. We didn't start our class with a lovely Badi Wali smile. That's why many students are looking as if they're sleeping. So let's give a Badi Wali smile, all of you. Badi Wali smile with thumbs up. Boys also. And then we will start. Otherwise, our drawing is not going to smile. Yes. Very good. And Rusha is showing a lovely drawing. Now what I will be doing, I will be making 2 lines. 1 and 2. Okay, 2 lines. 1 and 2. Two lines. If it is coming slightly inside, let it come. We are learning a drawing on Earth Day. Okay. Happy Earth Day. Earth Day is coming on 5th June. So many students want this concept to be covered because this is part of their holiday homework. In many schools, many competitions are going on. And a beautiful India is also a topic. Students are getting this phase. So I simply draw a circle, leaving some space here, some space here. This is the center point. I took a point on side, draw S, then continue. Here also flat S. And now I took 2 lines. Now decide a point. And this is the last point, right? I will be making it capital D. Okay, make it D for, and first decide the point. So both the eyes will be of equal size. Okay, both eyes will be of equal size. Okay, yes, this ways. And what I did, I draw 2 lines, I decide a point, and I draw 2. See, so it is looking like capital D. It's looking like capital D. Okay. And I want to show eyes in center. I know. Okay. I'm repeating in short. I took a plate, draw a circle, leaving some space here, some space here. This is center, just one side. I took a point, draw S, continue, S, continue, 2 lines and made 2 capital D. Okay. And now see, I will be showing, I will take 2 points, 2 points on the top, 2 points on the top, and I will be making a big O. How to make big O? It should touch this 2 points. Come on, draw a big O. This is big O, but it is touching the upper point. Okay, come on, draw big O. Yes, Lavanya, I'm waiting. Okay, this is take 2 points first. First, you will take 2 points. Then you will make a O, which will finish here. This is exactly O, but it is touching the upper eyelid. Okay, same here. And make sure this eyeball should be enough big, not very small. Okay, same here. So this way it is touching these 2 points. Okay, and see, this is hairline. Sometimes when we talk, a small flick of hair come in front of eyes, na? Okay. And I will be making one more. One more C. Not C, is it actually again O? Okay, same here. Using the upper points, I will be making one more. Okay? And make sure your both eyes should look equal. Looking front. Yes, we are making drawing on Earth Day. We are making learning a drawing on Earth Day. Okay? One, one, one. Eyelashes. Okay? Yes, this drawing is having a great story. So next coloring session, be ready for the story. Okay? Because this drawing is having real, and this story is which you can see all around. Okay? Very real, very logical. Okay, now after this, small eyebrows. Don't forget to show eyebrows. Okay? Very soon the things will be clear. Okay? Just keep making as I'm showing. So this is big eyes. These are big eyes. I use letter D. C for showing eyebrows. O for showing eyes. Small tiny nose for showing C. Small c for showing tiny nose. And a big happy smile. Okay? You can simply make a happy smile. And make sure your smile should not touch chin. There should be gap. Okay? There should be a gap between. You can simply make this line straight. Make it like D. It will look better. Okay? Don't make a curve. Make it like D again. As you make eyes now, same ways you can make smile. Okay, this is upper. These are teeth. And 3 for showing tongue. 3. Okay. I just want to check it. Please lift up your work. Do it. First do it. Finish it and then show. Okay, so we use letter D. See, for smile also use D. Straight line and smile. Okay. Use a straight line and smile. Very good. And make sure your smile should not touch your chin. There should be little space between chin and your smile. Okay. Yes, very good. And this is the concept which you will not find on YouTube or anywhere. Okay, this is our self concept. So you can use it anywhere for any competition. Okay. So now see, these are hair of Mother Earth. This is small face of Mother Earth. I want to check it first. All of you after completing, show me. Because you are learning a great drawing on Save Environment, Save Earth. I can see this Zoan Maria, beautiful mermaid drawing, lovely coloring. Shabash, very nice. Very beautiful work. Great. All of you show, many students are not even showing. Please lift up and hold it for some times. Hold your artwork for some times, hai na? Okay, Shivani, tomorrow we don't have class, so happy birthday in advance. May God shower blessings in your life. Now take eraser. Okay? Have you done? Show thumbs down if you want me to wait for you. Show thumbs down. Okay. Okay, Aryahi, haan. Finish, I can see your thumbs down. Finish, beta. Finish, I'm talking. Yes, Father's Day special drawing we are going to learn. Don't worry. we will be learning lovely drawings on Father's Day special and card also. So you will be able to give drawing and card as well. Okay. So don't worry. We have planned everything. So your Father's Day is going to be very special. Okay. And yoga day. It's okay. Yoga day is also there. So chalo, eat healthy, keep healthy. We will connect to yoga. I will note it down. Yoga day and eat healthy, keep healthy. Yoga. Okay, I will connect and make a concept with that. Okay. Now take your eraser. Can I see now everyone's work? Because that time many students didn't show. Huh, Prisha, what is this? Okay, wow, this is so beautiful. Lovely craft. Now take eraser and erase this complete upper part. Okay? This complete upper part, because now we are going to show the features. Why this earth is smiling. What things are there which is making her smile. See, before erasing this part, I will connect this. Take a point here. Because this is a small flick coming here. I will be completing hairstyle here. So very close to eyes, you will be going slanting and come down. Okay, slanting and come down. So this is only a hair. Okay. We will be learning that also. Okay. I will note down everything. Now erase extra lines and erase this complete upper circle. Erase it. Okay. Now only the face is here with a small hair in front of eyes, and this is hairstyle, and this complete small part of face is visible. Erase this. Okay. Show me, because this is the basic thing which should go perfect. If it will be wrong, then your drawing will not come out beautifully. Okay. Shabash. Lovely. Very nice. Beautiful. And don't forget to show 2 circles, a big and a small, to show the shine. While doing colors, it will look out very beautiful. A big and a small. 2 circles in eyes of our Mother Earth. Okay. We are going to make eyes of Mother Earth so bright and beautiful. Okay. And why Mother Earth is looking so happy, healthy? Because now you will see the reasons behind. Okay. Done? All of you? Now, from here till here, take a point here. First, I will be showing the river of Mother Earth. River in Mother Earth is very clean. All water animals are very clean. Because of this, Mother Earth is clean. Now, first to show thumbs up, you all have done. Thumbs up with smile. Yes, badi wali smile. Shabash. Great. Now I will be showing river. From here, how will we show river? You will go from here you will come. You will come parallel, and this line I have taken up. Just connect. Again, this is a S, you can say. This is river on the head of Mother Earth. You can just show it pointed like this. River. This is river. Okay, we are going to show wonderful duck family, fishes, all are happy. And we will be showing everything graphically. We will show graphics, not realistic. Okay. Okay. And what I did, this already curve I have taken. I just took the line, took a point here and connect this face. I will be showing fishes. Okay. And we will not show realistic fishes. Very simple, symbolic. How? C4 cat. Come on. You can make little big, not big. Don't make it very small. Graphic, it means symbolic. Okay. Symbolic drawings. That is called graphic based. We are learning drawing on Mother Earth Day, Kavi. C for cat, take a point at the back. Take a point at the back and once more C for cat. Simple symbolic fishes. Simple fish, no complication. Okay? You above, you below. Simple fish. We will not make it technical anyways. Absolutely simple we are going to keep. Okay? Just to show that river is happy, all those who are living in water, they all are happy. Okay? So we will make two symbols, ducks and fishes, to show that everyone is happy. No, we will not make one, we will make more. Okay? Yes, I will be showing fish again. C for cat. C. Now you will not take a point in center. You will take point at the side. Take a point. And now you will write C in the way that it will intersect it from here. C again. Again C. Simply join these last 2 points. One. A line. For making hairstyle, I use letter S. First I draw S, then extend. I draw S to show this hairline on face, and this is actually hair. U, again U. Okay? You can show one more here. If you want to go to show that side, you can show that side also. But I will be making all going in one direction. Okay? 3 fishes. And here I will make a mama and a baby duck. Okay, bus. We will not add so many things, otherwise it will be difficult to color, right? If there is space, you can make big also. Yes, Aradhya? Yes. Okay. Can I check? Will you please lift up? All of you. Shabash. Wonderful, lovely. Excellent, lovely, great work. Now I will be making duck. Okay, mama duck and baby duck. If you have big space, you can make a family also. How to make mama and baby duck? See, this is 2. I will be writing 2. All of you see how to write 2? Yes, I want your attention here. See, this is 2 now. Normally we write 2 this way. But I will make it 2. Here a curve. Draw 2. If you are not able to make this phase, you can simply write 2. This phase also you can write. Okay. If you can write this phase, it's okay. Otherwise, you write simple. 2. You can make 4 fishes also. Okay. You can make 4 fishes also. Now, this is the first point. This is the first point. Take a first point. And I will be making a line coming down and then connect. Okay, it's looking like J for jug. Line coming star down and J. J for jug. Same here, line coming down and connect. Okay, those who feel that they can make this ways, they can do this ways or this ways also. Okay, what I did, I draw 2, then J for jug. Okay, I will be making V for showing beak, small V, where the 2 started, V. Eyes. C for cat, C for cat. Okay. So what we showed that the river is so clean, happy, healthy. I will be showing two. This is two. From here, this is letter J for jug. This is C and V. Simply. And simple water. So this here, this river, we showed happy fishes, happy duck. No need to make so many things. Otherwise, this will become very heavy. No, few fishes, 2 or 3. If you want to make 4 and 2 babies, 2 ducklings. Okay. Here, if you want to show little grass and underwater stones, you can make. Okay. You can show little grass here. I want to check this. All of you, please lift up. And all of you show me. Okay. I just want to check everyone's work. Very good. Beautiful. Okay. So it is looking like clips. As if Mother Earth has put clips of. And I can see very good, Joan. Cap on artist's head is looking really creative. Great work. It is Joan, Maria. Lovely. Acha, now students, after doing this, so see these 3 fishes are looking as if Mother Earth has put clips, right? I will be making bushes. C for cat, big C, small c, bushes. Come on. Show bushes if you want to show. And gradually you will finish it here. Bushes. Now the number of bushes. This all things are on Mother Earth. Hai na? So we are going to show it. But they all are so balanced. No pollution is there. No global warming is there. Everything is balanced. We are going to show houses also. But still Mother Earth is happy because everyone is taking good care of Mother Earth. Okay. So here we want to show this. Can't we make our Mother Earth this way is beautiful and happy? This is the question. And backside, you can show some trees backside, not very tall. Okay. Trees behind bushes. And this complete line. I want to check these bushes and trees. Come on, all of you. Will you please pick up your work and show me? Very beautiful, lovely. So now the second layer after water is bushes and trees. So don't make your trees till sky. Make them small because here mountains are going to come. V. And little space because on mountains we are going to show windmills. V. See, this is flat. This is not small and pointed. No. And one more V. Mountains. Okay, we will be showing mountains. This ways. Okay. So here we will, and here we want to show that windmills, solar panels, these are the source of energy. We don't create pollution. Okay. So can't we use them? If we will use them for electricity, it will save, it will make our Mother Earth happy. Along with the development for factories, suppose factories are releasing so much of smoke because they are using diesel, petrol, coal. But if we will use solar panels or wind energy for them, then there will be no pollution. So this is a great solution. So in our drawing, we are going to add this. Our Earth is happy because human beings, they have turned wise and they are using solar panels, wind energy. Okay. This is a very beautiful technical thing which is going to make our drawing wise also. I want to check this work. All of you lift up your work. Show me. Show me. Shabash. Keep some space for mountains, okay? If your trees are very big, so keep some space for mountains. Now, how to make wind energy? Simply this ways. This is 11, very close, but these both one meet here. As wind energy is very, windmills are very far, we are going to show them very small. Okay, range of windmills on mountains, because here the force of air is very high. So, and when the wheel move, electricity produce. Simple O. V. After making O, you will write V. And you will write 1. Windmill. Okay, come on. Let's get started. We will be making range of windmills. Okay. Because of this only, because this complete earth has switched on to windmills, and because of this, pollution has become zero. Everything is working on solar energy and wind energy. So this is a very great solution we have, but we will have to switch on to these solution very wisely to save our Mother Earth. Okay, I will be making it. If you want to show a sun rising, we can even show a sun rising. Okay, if you want to show that ways. I will be simply making and then let's show sun rising. Let's show. Okay. Everything is organized. Everything is properly managed. Okay, so see this complete hairline. We showed river, bushes, jungles, and lots of jungles. Here we are going to show jungles. Okay, you can make more trees. Here you can add more trees. 11, V, and just show a jungle. Now you can cover up. Okay, this line in front of mountain, you can make a jungle. Okay. And if you want to make some stones on the side of river, you can show some stones also. Okay. Some big and small stones. It will add beauty, this natural scene. I want to check it now, how it's looking, little grass, little flowers. This all things will add life. Each and everything small, very beautiful, lovely. Shabash. Save energy. Suppose a topic is coming, save energy. You can try this drawing. How can we save energy? If we will switch on to non-destructible sources of energy, we can save energy. Yes. Anna? Yeah. All of you show the work. I want to check it. All of you lift up your files. Come on, students. Great. Very nice. Beautiful. Many students are showing thumbs down. Yes, I'm waiting for them. Okay. Now, one more thing, which is making Mother Earth happy. When all the animals, of jungle and flowers and butterflies and creepers. Everything is happy. So yes, this side I'm going to show a beautiful flower garden with some bushes and people also, because here Mother Earth will be happy when all, it means even human being will be happy. है ना? So let's make houses. Now here we will balance. So how to make houses? Symbolic. We, simple symbolic houses. We, okay? You can show some houses backside. Okay, simple houses, V and 11. Okay, we'll be making one more V to show the roof. Okay, we will be making it symbolic. Now here, Mother Earth is happy because people are using solar panels to produce renewable sources of energy. So this is, so they are using solar panels. Okay, so we are going to show solar panels also. So this drawing is clean India, green India. Suppose this topic is coming. So India will be green and clean when we will start using, following these things also. Okay. So here I will be showing a rectangle on the house. Show a rectangle. This is solar panel. Okay. And show some checks. This kind of checks. Come on. This is solar panel. I'm showing it again here. I will simply make a rectangle on house. Okay, simply, and I will make a stand connected to the house. Okay, so these houses are using solar panels. And again, what we use it symbolic. And we are using it symbolic. Okay. Or U to show gate. If you have space, if your this space is big, then you can make window. Otherwise, only the circle and this is enough. Okay. I will repeat house. What I did, I draw V. And then I draw 11, 1, 1, 11. Then I draw O. And then I draw U. Okay, show me. All of you show me the work. Lift up and show. Yes. Very beautiful. Amazing. Shabash. Wonderful work. Okay. And I will be showing people happy here. They are very happy. And here again, I will be showing them symbolic. Okay, I will be showing them symbolic. We are going to do black color. Hands upwards. O and V. O and V. Yes, Arya, here I've checked yours also. V. Okay, take 2 points. Okay, take 2 points on V and 11. Okay. And draw a line. Draw a line. We are making human beings symbolic. Okay, they are also happy. Because this is also the part of Mother Earth's happiness. Mother wants human beings also to be happy. Okay, simply V to show. So this ways I will be showing human being also happy. You can make 2. If you want to make 2, you can make 2 also. A big, a small, a O, a V. Then take 2 points on V. Can others see my video? Show thumbs up. Can you see my video? Yes? Please show thumbs up. So Arna, you please check beta. I think you have some problem. Because others are able to make. Yes, I'm showing how I did. O, then V. Now on V, this side and this side, I'm taking 2 points and it is 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. And this 1, 1, 11, I will make it H. Okay. Small line here, small line here. V. Shoes. Okay, simply U. So this ways I made human being, symbolic. Okay. And then I will be starting with here. So first here in mom's Mother Earth's hair, I will be showing a big flower. Okay, so this is a circle. Okay, and let's make a beautiful flower. Any flower you can make. Okay, this is S, C. Okay, S, C. Every time. First you decide points. Okay, divide your points. S, C. S, C. S, C. S, C. Okay, you can make a flower. Here I will make petals small so that I should not cover. Okay, so Mother Earth's big. Okay. Yes, and now the bushes. Show bushes. Here. And we will be showing, just for showing animals, I will be showing 2 teddies. So that animals. Elephant also you can show here if you want to show elephant hidden behind bushes. If you want to show giraffe, yes, you can try. And a giraffe, if you want to show, you can try. So simply I made one flower, some bushes. Here, some birds in the sky. M. Okay. So many things we include for making our Mother Earth happy. Okay. Here, this is O. You can take one object, a circle for making mama and baby bear. Mama and baby bear. Okay, baby bear also I will make little big. You can take 2 circles. Okay, you can take this kind of small. Otherwise, make it freehand. These are small circles. You can try them freehand. Okay? Yes. So just 2 circles. Come on, complete. Huh? Any flower you can make. Any. In Mother Earth's hair, you can make any flower because here I'm going to show a floral garden. Okay, complete flower garden. And when our earth will be of this kind, when our progress, our development will be in harmony with nature's care, then our life will be full of. If your page is full, if there is no space, then don't make it. Many of you are using A4 size. So if there is no space for making this, don't make it. Okay. I will be simply making beer. And if you can make only one beer, you can. See, those who don't have space here, they can make beer here, behind. They can make beer here. Okay. Now after this, one more. This is almost the center of the circle. From center of the circle, I will be making one more circle. See, this is the center. I'm showing it here. This is the center. I will be making one more circle. No, Lavina, we will not add elephant beta. elephant, we will learn and pick up one more special drawing. Okay. So in that, because here it is already very full. So here you don't make elephant. If you don't have space to make bear here, you can make it here also. May add one animal because we want to show when animal life will be happy, then Mother Earth will be happy. And simply one, smile. Nay, you will be making one more O, and then one. Okay, one more O, then one, and smile. You will be doing black sketch pen everywhere. Two eyes, mama and baby, and they are very happy. They are not frightened that someone will come and kill them. They have big jungle. Okay, big jungle is there. Lots of food is there. So they are very happy. See, mama and baby both are happy. Hidden behind bushes. You can simply show body. Okay. I want to check it. Please lift up your work. And next class, I will be sharing the story. I will be sharing the story of Mother Earth actually. Can I see all of you lift up your work? I want to check, and your beautiful concept on Mother Earth is ready. Very nice. Wonderful. Shabash. Last but not the least, beautiful flowers. So here, small flowers. Okay. Small flowers. Although we are going to use earbuds, here also you can add flowers, simple flowers. Okay. More. And simply you will connect it with the steps. House. For making house, I draw V. Okay. One more V. I connect. Then I took 2 points and draw 11. This is O. This is U. And here a rectangle in which I make one more line and draw one this way and sleeping line. It's very simple, symbolic. And here I will be making flowers. And see here, lots of flowers are going to come. Okay. Sure, but those all flowers I'm going to make with earbud. So next class, so many things are required. Note down the material. Note down the material. And if you want to add 4 more bushes, you can add. And this way is your drawing on Earth Day is ready. This is Earth and this is Earth. Okay. Everyone when in balance, river is happy, forest happy, sky happy, people happy, animals happy, butterflies happy. Everything is happy. I can make a small butterfly here. Small butterfly. V. Draw a V. Small V. Connect. Okay, add a small butterfly. And material, please note down because lots of things are required next class. This is a small V. Yes, Vida, what doubt you have? If you have more space, Vida, you can make 3 houses. If you have more space. Now see students, everything is again based on the availability of space. If you feel that lots of space is left, you can add more things. If you feel that space is very less, so you can reduce things. Otherwise, your drawing will become overcrowded. Okay. So here a small tiny butterfly. See, this is V, then U. Now one line is going straight up, one down. And I will simply write 3. Okay. Simply write 3 and 1 butterfly also. So now I think so many things to make our Earth looking beautiful. Then everything will be of this kind. Everything will be so happy. Then the Earth will be happy. Yes. ठीक है, तो this your artwork you will see after coloring, it will come out very beautifully, and you will see that you will find that it is looking great. No, we have Environment Day or any other day. What day we have on 5th June? We have a day. Which day? 5th June. Acha students, all of you note down this number. Please note down the number. This number, our technical number, technical team's number has been changed. Okay. So for your link of classes and all, if you will not note down this number, I can see this Githika's work. Githika, show me close. I can see the. Very nice. Beautiful. Now see, this is the number 7017997836. Okay. 836. So this is the number of our technical team. Environment Day. Okay. Environment Day or Earth Day. Some day is there. So we can try this drawing. Earth Day. Okay. So Earth Day, or this is drawing on Earth only. And note down the material. All of you note down material required for next class. Lovely drawing by Gitika. This is beautiful drawing. Send it on my Instagram. Okay. So now students, material required. This is Tirat Kaur. Lovely work. Shabash. Acha students, and now note down material. Right? Earbuds. Come on, note down earbuds. Because material, lots of things are required next class. Earbuds. Second thing you write, cotton. Cotton. Black sketch pen. Black sketch pen outline, so you will give. Plastic crayons. Write down plastic crayons. Plastic crayons. A container with water. Watercolors. Okay, write watercolors. Okay. So this is thing. So these are the things which we need for our next class. Okay. See, I will show the number. All of you say, right? 70. I'm writing this number. Okay, I'm writing this number 7. Write with me 7017. Okay, this number please note down. If you will not note down this number, you won't be able to get link of next classes. Okay, because our technical number team's number has been shifted. Old number is not working. So 7017997836. Note it down. Okay. Now we will pick up our sketch pen and start giving outlines. Okay, chalo, come on, all of you, pick up your sketch pen and start giving outlines, because we have